everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome dito sa aking kusina. Andito ulit tayo ngayon sa aking kusina at na-miss niyo ba yung ating cooking segment? Ako din, na-miss ko din yon. So ngayon, meron tayong gagawin. Hindi tayo magluluto kasi magpe-prepare tayo ng deviled eggs. This is customarily made during Easter here in the US. I always make this at home. Try nyo din. Malay nyo, magustuhan din ng inyong pamilya. So, napakadali lang nitong gawin. So, we're gonna use hard-boiled eggs. I already boiled them and I already cut them in half. So, I will show you the classic deviled eggs recipe that I always make for my family. So, let's go hop to it. Ating egg, binalatan ko na siya. So, pwede na tong manual use my. So guys, tapos na nating i-mix yung ating egg yolk. Gagawin natin, magpapalaman na tayo. Ito na yung ating mga eggs. So, gagawin natin. That is our deviled eggs. So, what do you think? Garnishing, we're gonna use paprika. Just gonna sprinkle it on top like that. So guys, there you go, our deviled egg. I think I'm gonna try one. Let's go try it. Okay guys, and that concludes our cooking portion for today. Although we did not cook, we prepared something. But maraming salamat, sinamahan niyo ulit ako dito sa aking kusina. If you like the videos that I uploaded prior to this, yung ating mga road trip, yung ating fall foliage hunting, yung ating boat ride. If you enjoy those videos, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. And also, marami akong tanggap ng mga messages sa aking inbox. That's okay, maraming salamat. I am looking into all of those and I'm considering on some of your suggestions to make videos in the future, in the coming days. I actually made some crafts already that I'm gonna upload soon and I will show them to you. Maraming salamat. Keep them coming because I read all of them. Even yung comment ninyo, I read all of them and thank you so much for supporting my channel. At yung hindi pa nag-subscribe, if you are new here, please subscribe and ring also that bell so you will get new uploads every time I upload new videos. Alright? Maraming salamat guys. Till my next vlog. Nawa nag-enjoy ulit kayo ngayon sa ating pag-prepare and making our deviled eggs. Bye guys. Till next time. Bye.